Welcome to this tutorial where I'll demonstrate how to use LPagery to set featured images on pages using images from the media library. I have here a simple template focused on a country, with country and population as placeholders. To set a featured image, I select empty JPG from the media library and save it. This image will be our reference for replacing images in the template. In our source file, similar to the standard image processing, empty JPG is placed in the header. Each row under it specifies the file name of the image to replace it with. Let's take a closer look at our source file. We have different images like USA-scale.jpg, Japan.png, and Spain.png that correspond to the respective countries. I've set the featured image of the template to a blank flag. I've already uploaded the source sheet into LPagery. When I click Next in LPagery, you'll see that empty JPG gets replaced with the respective images from our source file. Upon clicking Create Pages, we see that the United States page has the specified flag as its featured image visible at the top of the page. This is also the case for the other pages like Japan and Spain. Each page now displays the correct featured image as set in our source file. This process is part of LPagery's image processing capability, allowing you to easily replace images just like in standard image processing. And that's how you can use LPagery to set featured images for your pages directly from the media library. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.